Good day, everyone. Geared up for the next process, cleaning the underneath of the truck. So I've got my safety glasses on, got my gloves, got my visor, safety shield, whatever. Got my apron, leather apron, safety boots, crappy clothes, because I'm gonna get covered. This is what I'm cleaning. So as you can see, there's the rust. It's not too bad, but it's there. I want to get the scale of the rust off. That's where I started cleaning. And I got a little bit to do. So all underneath is going to be done. I'm going to treat it with tannic acid once it's done. Blow it off. Tannic acid, wipe that on. That should seal the rust. And then prime it, top coat it. Use black, I guess, whatever. Any paint will do. And then I'm going to undercoat it with undercoating, rubberize. So yeah, hopefully she'll last for, I'll never have to do this again. It will. Anyways, that's the progress for today. After this is done, it's going back on the chassis. This is the last step I have for the body, which I am excited about, really. Anyways, I gotta get to work. All right. Gonna mix up the tannic acid. So distilled water. This is a, what is it? 890 milliliter jug. So I'm going halfway, basically. It is 1 teaspoon to every 100 milliliters. So for this, I'll probably put about 3.5, and then it goes in there and I'll spray it on, or you can brush it on too. Here we go. Stir very well. That's a little bit of alcohol to add to the mix. It's better for when you're using this for rust. If you ever want to know, just go online, look it up. That's what I did. I bought this tannic acid off of Amazon, I think it was. You can find it at grocery stores. It's just powder form, and but you definitely need distilled water. It's warm too, by the way. Warm distilled water. I just warm it up. It makes it better to, like, easier for the powder to dissolve. Yeah, and that's it. And you give this a couple treatments on your rust. Now this isn't for clean metal. This is for rusty metal. It will completely seal the rust. And all you have to do is give it a couple treatments, let it air dry, and don't force dry it. And what it does is it seals the material completely, so no oxygen is allowed to get in, no rust. No oxygen, no moisture, no rust. So that's what it does. But it does need a top coat over it. So when it's done, you just spray some oil-based paint over it and you're sealed completely. Never to rust again. That's what they say. I'm gonna try. I think that's good. Pour it in. Spray it on. So I've already cleaned underneath. As you can see, I started spraying some already, but I was getting low, so I wanted to make more. And it is just a matter of, see, it's a little bit flaky in the corners there. Plus I want to get into the back here, like right inside. So this is perfect for that. Like I said, it won't do clean metal, won't do anything for it, but when you get it inside here, this is where all the rust forms, because all the mud that I run over when I'm off-roading gets in there, it doesn't come out, and it rots at it from the inside out. So to prevent that, we go inside. All right, I'm gonna put the phone down. This is the first douse of the tannic acid. As you can see, the rusty spots are turning black, and that's exactly what you want. That's the chemical reaction that seals the metal. So it's all drippy right now, so I'm gonna let this dry off a little bit, and then I'll do a second coat. But yeah, it's nice and black. That's the first coat. They want you to do 2 to 3 coats. So that's what I'm gonna do. And it's looking good. I mixed up another batch, and I'm ready for the second coat as soon as it's dry. So I'll let it dry and enjoy some Spotify and listen to some Rush. All right, maybe I'll go grab lunch and let this dry. I think that's what we'll do. And yeah, second coat, let it dry, and then it's paint time. Nice.